Hello everybody, Buggy back with Pizza King's Backyard RC, and I've got 4 SCX24s, and I have a decision to make, because I'm going to keep one of these 2 for myself, and the other one is going to Dragon for a Christmas present. The other 2 here are for my nephews, Pork Chop and Red Rex. I got them blue to match his Traxxas Stampede, and Pork Chop apparently likes purple, and this looked a little bit more purple on the website. And it's listed as pink, and in person it does have a more purple hue to it, so maybe that'll be alright. It'll match his Gorgon. If he doesn't like it, I mean, maybe you can trade it with stick. Pink's a stick color. Or, you know, spray bomb it with some purple paint. But anyway, back to these. I actually really like the collar on this. The Bronco with the Heritage Edition. And I've been on the fence about it, because I paid more for this than the rest of them, because I had to... These I got off of Amazon on sale, but I didn't have enough money to get all 4 of them, so I had to get one off of eBay. This one is it's clearly the nicer model. It's got Proline tires, it's got driver inside, hard body. But man, that one looks really good. I think I'm gonna keep this one for myself, just because it's got... Man, what a decision. Yeah, this one is the nicer model, so I'll just keep it for myself. So here in a second, we'll do an unboxing and have a look at it. All right, let's see what we got here. So the Bronco and this one also have LED lights. The base camps don't, and these also, the Bronco and the Power Wagon also have oil-filled shocks. And I didn't know that when I bought them. I thought they were all basically the same, but I guess the base camps still have the old friction shocks. And I need to look to see how to open this thing. Go ahead and look at some of the other features. I'm not super crazy about the orange one, but I guess it's kind of good. It looks like it comes with extra accessories, which I did show it in the pictures, so I don't know why I wouldn't think it wouldn't come with them, but you'd think they'd be pre-fitted or something. But come on. I'm having trouble getting the controller out. Or the white bit that houses everything. Sweet. Got our controller here. I thought this feels a lot more basic and cheaper than the FCX. controller. Not super crazy about that. Got our extra bits, charger. Looks like some things with shocks, stickers, battery, manual. But on to the main event. And that is a really nice model. Looks like it's got a co-driver too. Cowboy hats. Park. This is supposed to be like a park service. So they're probably meant to be forest rangers or something. And I think on these, this clips on. Oh, Velcro. Battery. Little 88 turn motor. It's like a little 2-in-1 receiver. This doesn't seem to have the counter rotating axles the same as the other one. There seems to be a lot of play in it. Is that normal? Looks like they're like little ball cups. Well, front end's nice and tight. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know a lot about crawlers and whatnot, so I don't know how that would affect. Oh, the bed opens. Sweet. I don't know how that would affect the car. I know they're known for the steering linkage being a little loose. I thought that come undone for a second. It just flops around. So definitely going to buy some, probably some brass linkage. Sorry, I can't speak. Brass linkage. So I'm going to charge this thing up, and we'll crawl around the bed like we did with the FCX and see how it goes. Well, she's all charged up. Got the lights on. I don't know how to turn them off. They just came on when I turned it on. And I fitted the rack in the back. It's pretty cool because this little thing twists so you can take those. I actually have no idea what they're called. I think they're for off-roading. I was wrong. Those are baseball caps, not cowboy hats. But and that front servo's pretty twitchy. Well, I don't know if it's fast. That's the word. The low speed clearly ain't as good on this one as it is the SCX. But this is the upgrade king apparently for 124, so we can always fix that later. And apparently this is just how this is. This back of this is just loose. Because I can't see a loose screw. So let's get it on the bed and play with it. Ah, crap. Again, I don't know much about rock crawling, so somebody's probably yelling at the screen, turn the climb or do this or crap. Oh no. I need an actual little rock crawler course, I think. Well, it's not bad. I think I like the SCX a little bit more. But I think it's pretty common knowledge at this point that they have better control or electronics in them from the factory. But this is the upgrade king. You can get all kinds of stuff for this. I like upgrading my stuff, so this should be a fun little project in the future. Well, I'll talk to you when we get the next big thing.
Oh no!